24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Big, bigger and biggest. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the concept of big, bigger and biggest. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Inform them that they will be learning how we differentiate objects and identify them. Learning objectives. To enable the students to compare different levels of sizes. To enable them to differentiate between big, bigger and biggest. To enable them to understand the importance of the size and describe the weight of an object while also comparing the difference in size. This measuring skill allows the students to compare the length of objects by placing them side by side. It allows them to think how big or how much bigger. To move forward, follow these steps. 1. Display the real objects from the class, or use the flashcards of various objects. 2. Tell the students that we can identify objects by comparing their sizes using big, bigger and biggest. Go through some magazines and pull out pictures that represent objects and animals that are of different sizes. 4. Place the magazine pages on trays that children can browse through as they look for pictures to cut out. 5. Explain to the children that they will look through the magazine pictures for things to cut out and glue to their writing pages. They will look for one or more things that are bigger than. Present the magazine pages to them on a tray with scissors and glue. 7. Have them search through the pages for items that are bigger than. Once they have chosen an item, they can cut it out and glue it on their pages. Play a game following these steps. 1. Make cards that show 4 animals or objects in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large, plus a few extra cards, a jumbo version of each animal or object. 2. On a turn, students try to play a card to the table which shows animals that are at least as large as what has been played there before. 3. If not, they draw a new card. 4. If they play a jumbo, thus killing the chain, they get to play an extra card. First player out of cards wins. Ask them to open their textbooks and mark the objects as big, bigger, and biggest. Reinforcement worksheet of big, bigger and biggest objects can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.